Hey guys, welcome! I'm so happy to have you here on this channel. My name's Ted, and today we are going to make this 3D Jack Daniels cake. Are you ready? Here we go! Our cake is already baked, cooled and chilled. Let's start by carving the Jack Daniels shape very nicely with the help of this paper. Once ready, we are going to coat the cake with some strawberry jam to add some taste and make it sticky. Now, roll out some white sugar paste and cover the cake. Using the palm of the hands, gently rub the whole surface until it gets smooth and the sugar paste has taken the shape of the cake. Then, cut the excess. One thing that I really like to make is this wooden pattern on my cake board. For this, roll out some white sugar paste, cover the cake board and draw the pattern. Just like that. Take some black color and using a brush, highlight the lines we just drew. Then, roughly brush the whole surface until it becomes marble. And if you like the video so far, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there. We are almost done. What is left to do now is airbrush the cake board with some dark brown color. Airbrush the bottle also with a light brown color. Perfect. Now roll out some black sugar paste, stick it on top of the bottle and place it on the cake board. For the final missing part, I printed the label on an edible rice paper, as you can see. And now we are going to stick it on the bottle. And there we are. This is it guys, the cake is ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.